Alright guys, welcome back to Soai. So disclaimer, today's meal is gonna be compensated, so my views may be skewed. I may lie, I might say that the food is delicious. I joke. I'm messing, I play. So yes, today's food though, however, is gonna be complimentary. Let me tell you a quick backstory. So the quick backstory is, a couple weeks ago, someone reached out to me and said, there's this restaurant called LaToya's. I think it should make it on your list of 100 Jamaican/Caribbean restaurants here in New York. We've been in talks for a while, and I was just like, you know what? Let them reach out to me, and I'll come by and check it out. So I'm finally here. I'm gonna check this place out. I know this place is Jamaican because there's a sign in there that says no refund or exchange. I know it's Jamaican because of that. And then who would want to exchange or refund food? It's kind of weird. But this is America. You don't like something, you take it back. But then again, this is a Jamaican store, so that is expected. Now, I've only been here for about 5 minutes and I see the Uber bikes coming in, picking up their orders. I see people stopping in, so it's telling me that there is a nice vibe. It's nice, small in there. If I were to have a restaurant, I would want to start small. I think it's best to start that way, get your food out there, see how much people like it, and take it from there. So we're gonna go inside. I'm gonna show you a little bit about that, take you back behind the scenes so you can see like how they prepare their meals today, and we're gonna try a couple of their foods. So where are we? We are at LaToya's, of course, LaToya's Kitchen, and we're on 2492 Clayton. I believe this is in Harlem. Yeah, so nice little spot here. We're gonna walk in. It's black with the yellow, and I think that's kind of cool because Jamaican flag colors are black and gold. The only thing that's missing is the green. And that green might just be your money. All right, so let me show you in here really quick. So it's nice and small. Before there was quite a bit of people inside. Now we're gonna try to do this as quickly as I can. I'm gonna run back into the kitchen and show you guys what's up. All right, so here they have their steam table, the usual stuff. Let me tell you what I can notice. Curry chicken. That right there is, I believe it's barbecue fried. Oxtail, stew chicken, seems like a candied yam, plantains, cabbage, mac and cheese, Escovitch fish, fried chicken, and that seems like it's a fried whiting. And this is, oh damn. It is a steam table. All right, so, caught LaToya coming out. What's that you got there? Some shrimp?
Yeah.
What kind of shrimp?
Jerk shrimp.
Jerk shrimp.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. All right, so tell me about your restaurant really quick. Who is LaToya?
So I'm LaToya, guys. I started this business actually in December 2021.
Okay.
And so basically, what's 4 years?
4 years.
In like a couple of weeks.
And we in Harlem, right?
Yes, we're
Okay.
in Harlem.
And it's been here from the entire time?
Yes, it's been here before me actually. My cousin used to own it. Her name is Claudia. She also has 2 restaurants in Queens. And then I took over. So basically this business has been established for like 14 years.
Wow.
Yes. Used to call it the Ochi.
Something like that. So she does gear. So the name was originally Little Ochi.
Little Ochi.
And then you just put your...
Yeah, to LaToya's Kitchen.
Okay,
yes.
Nice. And what would you, all right, say right now, you meet your boyfriend for the first time, right? And him say, babes, cook some food. What's the dish that you're gonna make for him that you know is gonna blow his mind that is on this menu?
All right, so basically, if he's American, you know, they want oxtails.
So American, so no Jamaican say thing, that's fine.
No, I'm gonna get there. Okay, so if it's American man, you know, it's oxtails. I'm from the island. So when you say the island Jamaica people, the first thing they want is ackee and sawfish or oxtails. No, if it's a Jamaican man, then I'm gonna make him a nice steamed fish with my pumpkin, my okra, etc.
Make sure you're saying back already.
Yeah.
All right, so but what is the favorite thing for the people here?
All right, so basically our #1 seller here, our jerk chicken.
Jerk chicken.
Yeah, because we do it on the grill, and then it comes on to our oxtails and pastas. But basically, to be honest, everything have a little that goes, but the #1 seller is the oxtails and our jerk chicken. And pastas.
All right, so you're gonna show me to do a couple stuff today in the back of the kitchen?
Yes.
All right, so ladies, if you want to get a Jamaican man, the first thing that you should make it for him is going to be steamed fish. Not for me though, I'm not a steamed fish person and my back is quite fine. Run the request again, because I feel special. They say what?
So I have a couple of dishes that I want to make for you, I personally.
Okay.
Because I'm a chef.
Okay.
So what would you like for me to make for you first? And we also do smoothies.
I definitely want to try the jerk chicken, that Barbie fry, but let's wing it. Let's see what you can do.
Okay.
All right, so we heading back here in the kitchen. We are doing thing, and LaToya is here. All right, LaToya, tell me what you're working on right now.
All right, so I'm working on some sweet chili wings.
Sweet chili wings.
And some soup. So we have some pigeon peas, beef soup.
So let me ask you a question, because I don't cook a whole heap of food right now and it's still in the evening. What time do you guys close?
At 1 o'clock, 1 a.m.
1 a.m. in the night? Wow, why so late? Is that your
Because it's Harlem. Harlem never sleep. Honestly, I wanted to do 24 hours, but it's like, it was safety.
Yeah.
But if it wasn't for that, Harlem never sleep 24/7.
I probably should come here one late night. That would be crazy.
Yeah, you'll see the apps go off. Bing, ding, 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 ding.
Really? I like that. I like that. So what chef I do over here, so now?
All right, so I'm doing oxtails and some curry goat.
I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of business, you know, because look how much oxtail is being made right now. A lot of business. It's a good thing. Jaja, I wonder which part catering to? Which part of the island I come from?
From
St. Anne? That is it. That is it. That's what I know is a countryman that cook the food, you know what I mean?
Countryman,
Yeah.
Countryman know all them.
Yeah, man. Know exactly what we are doing. Chill on the man here.
Yeah.
That is it. So right there, so we have some curry goat. Look rich. Look really rich. I know you go tell me it's a better pack in there, though. It's a mixture, but better pack in there.
Start you off with your smoothie first.
Yeah, you could start me off with a small smoothie.
Okay.
So
So
we were
I'm
just
gonna make
talking,
you-
we were just talking about just like, you know, getting a space here. It's expensive, right, for such a small space.
Yes,
Damn.
it's Manhattan price.
Manhattan. It's in
Yeah.
Harlem, but Manhattan
Yeah.
prices. I feel that. I feel that. And how do you think business has been going so far, though? Would you say like, I know you're selling a lot, but would you say like the lot's turning out to be like, yeah, you could eventually expand eventually?
Yes,
Okay,
next
definitely.
year, hopefully.
year?
But it's gonna be a bar and lounge.
Ooh,
Lounge.
definitely. All right, cool. So you're gonna take me through
Yes. I'm gonna make you a smoothie, and it's called Natty Blend.
the natty blend.
Yes. The special, and we also do a lunch special too, guys. So
For
it's-
$10?
Yes, right there. The menu is right there.
The oxtail? A real oxtail or?
Relax there. So basically, it's splitting a small meat in two.
Okay.
So that's the trick to it.
Nice.
So it's small, split in two.
Yo, we got Denise out here on the grill. Jaja. So Denise apparently is a grill master. I saw her setting this thing ablaze to get it ready for us to drop some jerk chicken on. Wow. Right in the middle of Harlem, guys. That is it. Denise, in the kitchen, what's your main thing to do? You are mainly on the grill or you do prep work, everything?
I do washing up, cleaning up,
Yeah. And the grill as well? That's it. So tell me about this drink. What is it called?
All right, so this drink is called Natty Blend, and it has oatmeal, peanut butter.
You used to there with a Rasta man, you know.
Oh,
Because
no.
you talk about steamed fish, I know you got natty. Explain, why is it called natty blend?
Because I just sit one day and I'm like, I need a drink that's like irie, and it just came up to me,
Okay.
the word natty. So it consists of peanut butter, as you can see, peanuts, oatmeal, honey, banana, cinnamon, and nutmeg.
Sounds like everything I would put in a shake, for sure. I love shakes actually. Or
You're
smoothies,
gonna
yeah.
love this one.
All right.
Positive of that. Yes, honey, okay. You want cabbage, right, mommy? Thank you, Denise. And then jerk sauce, right, mommy? Tell chef we need some more cabbage, Denise. So this is one of the lunch special. Jerk chicken is so much? Only $6
You
with
are
taxes.
kidding me, bro. Really?
$6 with taxes.
Tax included? $6?
You know, it's New York State, they'll charge you taxes.
That's crazy. No, so it's $6 and then we go add the tax after.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Whoa. Love what she is doing. $6 for a box of food. Like, bro, I always say, I don't know why we don't bring those times back where there's in Jamaica they would call it a coffin box or whatever it is. Just give a small box of food for those who can't really afford certain price. And maybe when they can afford certain price, they will upgrade from the small box to the large. Or maybe just buying food for their kids. $6 for jerk chicken. If it's good, that's a deal. Brother. This is a shake. It is heavy. I like telling you how much I think it weighs. This is easily a pound. It feels very heavy. It's thick. All right, I hope the consistency is good. It needs to be able to pass through the straw. And of course, it needs to be able to taste good. Let's go. That's good. Tastes almost like, I'm not strong back. It tastes like one of those drinks in Jamaica that they say, good for your old. Yeah, it's one of those drinks. Immediately you taste the peanuts, you taste the cinnamon, the nutmeg, good balance of sweetness, definitely filling, and then the peanut butter adds that nice, rich, nutty, earthy creaminess. Worth it. So this, what lunch special is this now?
The Oxtail lunch special.
Oxtail lunch special, and this is what, $10 you said?
Yes, $10.
Yo, and that comes with steamed cabbage, some rice and peas. Wow.
It's showing out now.
Got to.
Hey, the video statement, yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we got two of the things which I think really caught my eye, especially because of the price. So, you know, we have the jerk chicken right here. This is, what, $6, $6. You know me and the weight of the food, this feels definitely over a pound of food. It is heavy, it's hefty, and this is filling. Unless you're a really greedy person, then I don't know. And behind me, you guys can see it's done on the grill. So this is as close as it's gonna get to authentic jerk chicken here in New York. Then on the other side, we have oxtail. I don't know, but there's a lady in there, she was having the oxtail and she was like, sucking it right off the bone, man. She was.
Okay, I'm listening because I'm coming here all the time. I see you looking at your
Yeah. Yo, the people of New York are great. I ain't gonna lie. All right, so you have the oxtail here. How that lady was going on about it, I know it's gonna be pretty decent. So let's dive right into this. All right, first up, we got the jerk chicken. Let's go. All right, so I got leg and thigh. Looking at the jerk chicken, seems like it's cooked thoroughly, looks tender. The outside has char on it because it's not done on a gas grill. It is done on charcoals. Wow, that's flavorful. I'm gonna start dubbing this like a New York style jerk chicken because off the, ooh, we got nice heat. Okay, pepper is here. Pepper is in the building. Pepper is in the building. For me, this is more on a mild spice. Seasoned properly, very seasoned. And where the American jerk comes in for me is that barbecue sauce type jerk sauce that they normally use. It tends to be sweeter. I always say the Jamaican version is not sweet, but I also do say when I go to places like Island Grill, Ayad, I normally get the jerk seasoning with the barbecue and I mix it together. So hands up there. Wow, nice charring. Very nice charring, very nice glaze. And the part that I appreciate the most is that there's pepper. I ain't gonna lie, for $6, it's almost like they're robbing themselves. All right, my personal pet peeve, I do not like parboiled rice. So that is gonna be the only thing that might knock it if it tastes like that. Let's go. I honestly cannot explain it. The way that they do this rice, not everyone can do it. The rice is cooked properly, but on the outside it has a kind of light potato-y texture that feels like it's the coconut cream as it dries up in the pot and it just coats the rice, or just the richness of the peas itself when it breaks apart and just coats the rice, which is something that I really love. The flavor on it is good. It tastes like a good rice and peas. Again, everybody likes their rice and peas different. Some people prefer basmati, some people prefer jasmine. But for me, this rice took it home. $6. You guys, well, there's Uncle Sam's tax. But at this price, you need to come here and try this. $6, this dish for me was a 10 out of, I haven't tried the vegetable. The carrot cooked out a little bit too much. Cabbages, just about right. But then again, it's on a steam table, so it continues to cook over time. But overall, for this, for me, for the price and what it is, what I got, it's a 10. I just stopped because I have more food to eat. My hands are getting cold. They do have seating in there, as you guys know, but I just like the outside environment. This way I get to soak up the entirety of the New York culture. I can see the fashion, like everything, man. All right, anyway, on to the oxtail. So I would like my oxtail to look a little bit more shiny looking with the glaze and stuff like that. Not seeing that on this, but flavor is where everything is, so let's try. The oxtail is tender. Not too tender, so it's not soft, it's tender. The flavors, it's not too punchy. It's a little bit more subtle with the oxtail. I think if they had lathered my oxtail with some gravy, it could have sent it.
It must be really nice to see him making those.
Right?
Nice. That's Jamaica?
Yeah.
I know. The best Oxtail.
Yeah.
But you have to learn to do that.
That's true.
You take care.
You too.
Save that money that you spend for this, you can buy 2 pound of Oxtail. No, they can cook. They are my peeps.
They're your peeps, right?
Jamaica.
That is it. No, I haven't had it, but I'm gonna try it. Oh my God. It's good. See it there? So, just to reiterate what she did, she said, everybody loves their cooking. You should try their jerk pork, their curry chicken. Mwah. This is why I'm outside even when my hands are cold. I get to meet the people, I get to hear their interactions, and it just makes, I don't know, it makes it feel, this whole experience for me feel a lot more human. Okay, so my oxtail is on. We did a fried rice with the oxtail. I don't think they're gonna be able to beat my favorite place. They're not gonna beat my favorite place in the Bronx. Yeah, definitely doesn't beat my favorite place in the Bronx. I'm getting a kind of a smoky flavor from it. I usually like a smoky taste, but for me, this one isn't working so well. It's not that it's bad, but I think once you experience certain standards, it's just like everybody else is kind of playing catch up. Now, which one do I think is a better deal? Damn, 6 over 10. I'm gonna always go with 6. I think with the jerk chicken, you get a lot more meat. It's basically about the same weight of food, and you're paying $4 less. But if you're a fan of oxtail and you're fiending for some Jamaican oxtail, then you could spend the extra $4 and then it would be 10. All right, so I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna check out a couple other stuff. Wow, kids. Hey, them say, if the owner don't eat from them restaurant, don't buy there. And you're eating your bowl of soup. That is it. That is it. Wow, you guys have that here? Wow. Okay. That is it. Want to know how gravy never on mine like this?
Oh, you'll put more on it. It's good.
Wow, that looks good.
Let me stop it. Here you go, maybe.
All right, so what I like about the kitchen is that they do a lot of the stuff from scratch. So I'm seeing the jerk chicken, the jerk sauce, all those stuff blended up from scratch. Even the candied yams, that is not from a can. It's actually chopped up potatoes that they boil down. Now, right now we're gonna be making some oxtail pasta. Let's see how they do that. All right, so we got Chef LaToya.
And I'm also making you Escovitch fish tacos.
Ooh, that sounds good. All right, so I did, because I'm here pretty late now. I see that people are coming, like gradually. You said late in the night.
But it's slow down, like how it works here.
Yeah.
It's slow down, then it get back up, then it slow down and
Get back up. Okay. I'm definitely gonna come here one night, like 12 o'clock. I wanna see like what that's like.
Just green to downstairs, then it's all right. I saw you make your pasta too, your signature.
Oh,
pasta
the
that
Rasta
you're-
pasta.
Yeah. You do it slightly different from
Slightly
me.
different, okay.
So So for my pasta, I use red, green, pepper, and carrots.
Okay.
But I like yours though. You make it.
I appreciate
I
that.
actually watched that video. That video.
Nice. So while you make the pasta, like how does it feel like? Because before you were the sole chef back here, and then you got some help to help you with that, right? How does it feel though? Don't you get tired and stressed? Because I know kitchen work is hard. How do you feel?
You know, to be honest, I don't feel like tired because I love cooking. I love cooking to the fact that I cook in my sleep. Talking, cooking in my sleep, I do that.
Wow.
I swear, soup, right? Yes. I love cooking a lot. I want you to capture my beef soup with.
But you're not joking. You cook pasta, you serve soup.
Yeah.
That is it, you know.
And it's my gungo pea soup.
I need to try some of that. That looks really good.
Yeah, I have to make it try.
And that's your heavy cream?
Yes.
Nice.
And then my signature, my pasta, is I use a guy. Sazon. It's only two, and to be honest, people here in the neighborhood, they love my pasta. They always ask me what I put in it.
I mean, they have to love it because it's not coming from a bottle. You know, you actually use heavy cream and you're putting your ingredients together from scratch, so.
I'll put some more heavy cream because it's a large.
She knows what she's doing. She has her pasta already pre-cooked, ready to go.
I have to because, trust me, pasta.
Too much time.
Yesterday, I think I make over 30 pastas. Yes. Really? I swear, the ops and store, they love the pasta.
So I was just saying to her that I want to learn how to make a good pepper shrimp. You know, she was showing me some catering that she does, that she did for this Thanksgiving. If you're interested in catering, you can hit them up as well. I'll put their Instagram page. They can hit you up. So she said that she could do a pepper shrimp for me. I'm like, then let's do it. She gonna do that for me tonight. The only thing is that it's not gonna be head-on shrimp. It's gonna be head off, but either way, we're gonna try it. Wow. That looked good. Yo. So when people normally order tacos, they get 3?
Yes.
These
And we have lunch special tacos too. Lunch special is 2.
Wow.
And that's yours.
Yo. That's a large.
Yes.
This looks good.
A lot of food. And this is for a DoorDash order.
Wow. They definitely love to cook because they're showering me with food here. So this is their fish taco. And I think she said the price is around 16 bucks. This thing is heavy. It's tethering close to just over a pound. There's so much fish in this. It's crazy. I've had tacos from taquerias and you barely but get any fish. So this already is a steal. Let's dive in. Now I won't be able to rate these properly because in here got busy. They sat for a while, so it's not gonna be at its best. So I'll tell you what I think it would have tasted like or felt like. Here we go. So let's go with the fish first. Still, the fish is nice and crispy. There's a nice bright Escovitch on it, nice acidity, nice amount of spice. Brings more of that island taste to it. And like I always say, they love whiting fish here in New York. Very nice and crisp fish. Not overly seasoned. Sometimes people over season fish, very good. The taco's a bit soggy, again because it was sitting. Wow, that coleslaw type pickle combination, it adds that nice, refreshing, bright flavor that you expect from a taco. That's why in tacos they normally add a bit of lime. Sounds crazy to some people, but that lime goes so well. I love the slaw because it adds a bit of moisture because the taco itself, as in the tortilla, is a little bit drier. And of course the fish is crispy. That adds a nice dimension and balance to it. And I believe I'm also seeing and tasting cilantro or parsley.
Next following, guys.
I must say, it doesn't quite taste like a Mexican taco. It tastes like an American version of it, which obviously is a lot bigger, a lot more heartier. This for me is easily a high 9. This fish batter is good.
One more gravy? oxtail stuff. I'm gonna make that myself.
Yeah, I'm
Most of this season over here has so much MSG and stuff that I am afraid of MSG. Anytime I eat anything with MSG, my head hurts.
All right, it's the next day. So, got there at 3:05, left like at 11. And that speaks volumes. I don't stay anywhere where the food isn't good or I don't feel welcomed. And at that spot, the vibe was really good. I love the fact that they bred life into me as a person. You know, they were so appreciative of me even going there. And it's not because they're not even doing business. Like, they're doing good business there because the food is good and the price point is great. And that's what I have to recommend. That $6 jerk and that $10 oxtail, if it's the first thing you're gonna try, definitely try it, because it's not gonna break the bank and the quality for what you're paying for is there. So I really, really appreciate that. What else? I like the fact that the owner, you know, she's a hard worker. That's all I can say. She was back there in the kitchen doing her thing, you know what I'm saying? And running a restaurant is difficult. It's really difficult, you know, if you don't have the proper staff, and they have that. They're growing, they're building. So if you guys want to support a business like this, whenever you're in Harlem, definitely make sure that you guys stop there. All right, I'm gonna take a little nap, chill for a little bit, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember to keep the link. Oh, and my birthday is at the end of this year. I've never done it before, but this year I might drop something into my Amazon wish list, which I believe is always linked. It's not going to be anything personal. It's going to be something for the channel, maybe some gadget or something to, you know, make these videos happen more frequently and better quality. Keep the link.
My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold.